day. This is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here the AOLON watch Tetra S5. And on this video, we are going to have a demo of one of its smart feature, and that is the Bluetooth music control function. Again, we are still on the remote photo control function review for smartwatches. Previously, we have the fitness tracker from Infinix. This time we have the smartwatch from AOLON Tetra S5. So we have a remote shutter here. So we'll try this one and let's see if it will work with our Android smartphone. So if you are interested to see the Bluetooth remote control function of the AOLON watch Tetra S5, watch this video. And again, support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so let's start and explore the Bluetooth remote photo control function of the AOLON watch Tetra S5. So we have the support app, Glory Fit. So let's open the app. We do have the universal settings here, and as you can see, shake to take photos. Let's see if we can activate it here on the smartphone. Okay, as you can see, our menus automatically activated. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Let's see if it will work if I shake the smartwatch. Again, shake to take photos. Okay, it works. Again. Yes, it works for shake to take photo control. Then we have, okay, here menus on the smartwatch. Let's see if we can activate it here directly. Toolbox, remote shutter, and as you can see, it works. Okay, so you can activate on the smartphone or on the smartwatch. What if we do not open the app here? Again, let's see. Okay, so you need to open the application here, the Glory Fit. What if the smartphone camera here? Remote shutter? No, it will not work. It uses the menus here or the feature in the support app. Okay, so open the app, then tap on remote shutter, and as you can see, automatically it activates the camera app on the support app. Tap or shake. It works. Okay, and we do have a sound so far. So that's it for our demo for the AOLON Tetra S5 Bluetooth camera control function. Don't forget to activate the permission for the storage as well as the camera for our AOLON watch Tetra S5. If it asks for a permission to activate or use the camera as well as the storage, just allow it to be able to use the Bluetooth camera control function of our AOLON watch Tetra S5. Again, if you have any questions regarding the demo, drop a comment below, and of course support our channel, like, share, and subscribe.